Let's have a look what we got in the mail. Wipes. Bubble wrap. There we go. Oh wow. I was complaining about the price of this. It was like very expensive, but it looks like it's really good stuff. So that's a Qian brush. Metal brush. Turn it this way so you guys can see. Chip jump wire. Not jumper wire, jump wire. So this is 0.002 millimeters. Good stuff. Super fine silver jump wire. This one's even finer. So this one's 0.009 millimeters. This will be really good for home button repairs and stuff. I don't know what this is. Scalpel, scraping tool. I actually bought this to do the sides of iPads around the frame, you know, to clean the adhesive. The new ceramic blades, very interesting. Looking forward to trying these. Union repair jumper tweezers. These look amazing. Wow, they actually look amazing. And what else do we have? And this is the iPhone fingerprint opening sensor opening tool. Okay, so we'll go for all of this. And shuffles. What is a shuffles? Let's start with the shuffles. Let's have a look. What's inside shuffles? Oh wow. Ah yes, I was waiting for this. Nice. Nice thick cables. This is to turn on this Qian version of the iPower Pro. So I'm not sure what this is for. This connector. Oh, they've got labels for it too, which is really handy. So yeah, this is to power iPhones without battery, and it'll turn it on as well. So this looks like it's a connector for here. No? Okay, so that's that. So this is really good. My one had a small tear, so I had to replace it. And so I said I'll get a new set. And this really looks good. So this one does 8, 8 plus, 6 plus, 6, 7, X, 7 plus. And yeah, that's that. Let's have a look at this. Tweezers Union Repair. Oh wow. That is amazing. Look how fine that is. That is amazing tweezers. But you see these, if you ever drop these, bang, game over. They're so fine. I'll compare it to my finest tweezers. These are Dumont. These are Swiss made. They're probably $30 a pop, but these ones look even finer than the Dumont. Much finer. Just want to say, oh wow. Yeah, they've already got a bit of a bend in them. Sort of expected out of China. I mean, and the metal seems very flimsy, but at the end of the day, they're for jumper wires, so they're actually really good for what it is. Okay, I'll keep a thing around that. So that's that. Oh. K11 mechanic. So this seems to be the tool for opening fingerprint scanner, so you can actually port the button. So sometimes with the iPhone 6, 7, you get the crack on the actual button, but the actual fingerprint sensor could be actually good. So this is supposed to help with opening the home button. But as you can see, it's already out of brand new packaging, and it looks dirty. It looks corroded, the tips, which is again expected. So that's that. Don't need to really unpackage this. They're just they're really good. Just really interested what this is. Okay, I remember now. This is a little sharpening stone, I think, for the blades and tips. So like this I use a lot to scrape the resin. So I think that's what it's for sharpening. Very fine grit. That's the bin. Now I got a few different blades, but this one is unique because it's shorter and it's angled. So looks really good. It's like for scraping and carving. I'm sure this will be very useful. So carving knife. That's that. And ceramic blades. These are new to the Qian Li range. I've got the 007, 008 and the 009. These ones look like they've just come out. It's glue remover. I can see why they don't ceramic. So basically with ceramic, I think it's because the heat doesn't penetrate the blades. So the actual handle is very nice. It's much better than the other ones, and they got a little rubber grip here. And not sure what that does. The end screws out for no reason, which is great if you want to just take it off. I even got a serial number on the scraper, which is great too, if you want to track. Oh, wow. Oh no, here we go. Now I figured it out. So this second tip is for the finer blades, I think. So that one might go on the other end if you want to use double end. No, they seem to be the same size. So what happens, I guess if these wreck, you can replace it or have double tip. So, but I think one time is good. And I really like this. Wow, it's mostly sealed. Wow, ceramic blades. Wow. So that's the ceramic blades. They come with different tips. This one's angled. This one's straight. Just a scraper. Another straight one. Focus. There you go. This one's like a knife. This one's really good as well. I really like the round ones for scraping. And another straight one, but much thinner. Okay, so yeah, really happy with this stuff. Really good quality. So that's that. 5 different blades, as you can see down the middle. Yeah, so the straight ones, I think it's just the size difference. That's that. And finally, the Qian eye brush. This has got a bit of weight. It's a middle brush. Wow. Oh wow, this is excellent. This is really good for water damage stuff, especially for MacBooks, to remove corrosion and give it a nice scrub. Bristles are quite dense. Yeah, so that's that, but it's got a lot of weight to it, and wow, it's magnetic. That's great. So if you want to put it onto something, it's really good. I don't really have, oh, I guess you could be dangling, but you could sort of clip it onto something if you've got a metal piece to clip it to. So that's all. That's just a small update of all the new goodies that I've received. Thank you for watching.